This route avoids a...
Supposed to be backside.
Hello. Show your injury. What?
Want lemon?
Do you like this to me?
You want lemon?
Show your injury like that. Yeah. He's beaten by Mickey Boy. We're here at... I don't know which restaurant is this. Alcazar in Manila. So, Malate. So, yeah. We'll try it now. Falafel. How was it? Yummy. See?
Get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
Oh, they have tiny hangers for babies. How long is out? No, that open that one. This one. No one.
It's heavy also.
Yeah. And no one to help you. Come. I'll do it. I'll do it.
Hold on to tip. It's heavy.
Because your finger.
I will adjust.
Yeah, you think?
Hold on.
You think I cannot lift?
I'm not saying that it's heavy. I'm not saying that you can. And it's really
Careful.
heavy.
Oh.
Try to pick it up now.
I'll do it.
Mind your camera. The trolley.
You should have like that.
I'll get a trolley.
Oh, I thought the flat one you will get like this. You didn't get the flat one like this. Easier.
Okay.
Ako na. Just don't fall. Shoes. Sleepies. Okay. Tara. Ouch. New shoes. I have blisters. Ouch. So painful. It's like airport. It's like airport now. Oh, while we're waiting for the car, I'm gonna tell you the quick story of earlier that we experienced. So we were walking inside Ikea, obviously we're still here. Then there's two girls who were calling me. I thought they mistaken me for like Ikea crew, but I'm wearing dress, so I'm like no, I don't think they thought I'm a Ikea person. So I went there and I said, me? Are you calling me? And then they're, yeah. And then these are two gays. So they look decent. They are dressed properly like this. But then again, they started talking that, oh, we were supposed to buy clear book for our like this. We are journalism students, la la la. And we're asking for money if that's okay. And I'm like, you're asking for money? How much? And they're like, around 250 to 180 because we need it by 7 p.m. Like that's it, la la la. Of course, everything in the story seems very weird and doesn't really add up. So, long story short, we didn't give them money. I told them just wait. And then I didn't come back to them. And then me and my boyfriend think that it's a new, what do you call this? It's a new modus here. So they would go to like this kind of areas where people have money. So they're gonna beg for money. Instead of begging, they would just make up stories. So yeah, I think that's the new modus that they have. So yeah. So that's the quick story that I have here in Ikea, which is really weird. But yeah.